Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to troubleshoot a flashing screen on your Braun ThermoScan 7. Let me show you the different error messages on their official manual and what you can go ahead and do for the solution. So if you're having this, display flashing, basically what you need to do is wait for 1 minute until the thermometer turns off automatically. Display turns off, and then you turn it on again. Okay, so this basically usually fixes the issue. If it does not, what you need to do is reset the thermometer by removing the batteries and putting them back in. And if this error still persists, what you need to do is contact the service center and they could assist you further, or maybe go ahead and repair it for you depending on the issue. Okay, but the first 2 steps usually fixes the issue for yourself. If this helped, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to find your solution.